The original Hotpop microwave popcorn popper, silicone popcorn maker, collapsible bowl BPA free and dishwasher safe 12 colors available. Deliciousness in minutes. The Hotpop popcorn popper with lid whips up to 15 cups of popcorn in under 4 minutes without having to deal with the slowness of a stovetop popcorn maker, the noisiness of electric hot poppers, or the potentially harmful lining of microwavable popcorn bags. Simple to use. Simply add kernels to the quick popcorn maker, add seasoning, and place in the microwave. This is one of the most convenient popcorn poppers for home use thanks to the cool touch handles for comfortable handling and graduated markings on the inner side of the bowl. Toxin-free, 100% food-grade silicone BPA and PVC-free. This is the best popcorn popper for making a healthy treat that the entire family will love. You can opt to use oil or skip on it entirely, making it perfect for those looking for popcorn poppers that use oil or poppers that can do without. Collapsible space-saving design. You can quickly collapse the microwave popcorn maker from a height of 5.7 to 2.4, allowing it to fit in your kitchen cabinets or drawers without taking too much space in your kitchen. So you'll avoid the bulk of an electric popcorn popper while still enjoying great functionality. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't love our popcorn popper, we will fully refund every cent.